Hello ladies and gentlemen, myself Manish and I welcome you to a new video of Technical Chaharji. In today's video, I'm going to tell you that how easily you can earn extra cash with this Amazon Flex program. We're going to see what this program is and how you can register on this program and what are the requirements to get registered on this app or in this program. So watch this video till the end so you know everything about this Amazon Flex program. So without wasting time, let's get started with the video. So Amazon Flex is now officially launched into the India after the successful launch in the US in the 2015. In 2019, the Amazon Flex is permanently launched into the India, and the requirement is that you need to have at least a two-wheeler vehicle with you if you want to join this program. In this program, you will be just delivering out the goods or the packages to the customer in your own schedule. If you have a free time in the evening, you can join that time slots and can deliver the packages as your convenience. And with the help of this, you can earn approximately around 140 to 150 rupees per hour. Think about the extra money which you are going to get with this Amazon Flex program and how easily it can increase your earning. A good initiative by the Amazon, and suppose if you have a free time, like if you are a student or working as a part-time, in the next part-time, you can work with the Amazon Flex program. I know it's just a good delivery thing like a delivery boy, but no work is smaller, and with the help of this, it just will help you earn more. So just let me take you to my website and show you that how you can join the Amazon Flex program and how easily you can register it and how it will help you. So to join this Amazon Flex program, open any of the browser. I'm opening up the Firefox browser right now. And after opening up the Firefox browser, I'm going to go into flex.amazon.in. And as soon as you will open this website, you're able to see that over here it says that make 120 to 140 per hour. Delivering packages with Amazon. All you need is an Android phone and some free time. Over here you need to fill out details like first name, last name, city, and PIN code, mobile number, email ID, and vehicle information. If you press the vehicle information, it has I use a three-wheeler vehicle, I use a two-wheeler vehicle, and I use a four-wheeler vehicle. Once you press it over there and get the app, it will send you a link about the app. And over say that we are currently looking for two-wheeler bike riders in Bangalore, Delhi, Mumbai, Hyderabad, and Jaipur. And why Amazon Flex? Extra earning, as I said, that you can able to earn extra with the help of this Amazon Flex program. Flexible hours, schedule ahead or pick up any available block of time. Suppose if you have free time in the evening, you can join that free time in the evening and can utilize with this Amazon Flex program and can earn extra. Be your own boss, build your own schedule, opportunity available 7 days a week. Even though if you have available time over the weekend, you can join that Flex program for the Saturday, Sunday and can do some sort of extra delivery and can earn some extra cash with the help of this Amazon Flex. So a great initiative by the Amazon to make people earn more, and with the help of that, the people can earn more, plus they can get their good delivered on a faster time if the more people join this Amazon Flex program. So you have seen over the website how easily it was to register over the Flex program in the Amazon, and they will provide you a link for the app download. Plus they will also provide you a group Mediclaim policy, plus they will give you a training and do a verification about yourself, about the background verification which they are going to conduct. After that, you will be given an opportunity to join this Amazon Flex and can easily earn extra cash with the help of this Amazon Flex program. So if you have any questions or comments, do comment below so I can answer that about anything about the Amazon Flex program. So if you like this video, give a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share this with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for such interesting videos. And I'll see you all in the next one.